Hello and welcome guys. Welcome to my another video. Today I am going to talking about responsibilities. Responsibilities is an obligation or duty of a man. As a social being, we all have some responsibilities to our family, to our society and to the country. First of all, we have some particular responsibilities to the members of our family. We must take good care of them in their old age. Next, we have to look after our children and other members of the family. We should be obedient to our parents, teachers and elders. We should extend our helping hands to our neighbors in the disease or any other helpless conditions. During natural calamities, we should come forward with the helping hands to mitigate the sufferings of the victims. As the citizens of a country, we have to abide by all the rules and regulations of the country. A country can reach the top of prosperity only when both of the citizens and the government are responsible to each other. The knowledge, skills and attitudes that we gain at home and in the society will certainly help us to accept our responsibilities and carry them out effectively and efficiently. On the other hand, if we are not responsible, we cannot be prosper, we cannot get success. Also, if we don't responsible, we will not be able to get the opportunities from the government. We won't get help from others like family members or friends also. So responsibility is a great virtue. We should be responsible to gain something. In fact, we should be responsible for our own benefits. As I told in the very first of my video, what is responsibility, it is very important. If we understand what is responsibility, I am again saying that responsibility is an obligation or duty of a man. If I do my duty regularly, if I do my duty perfectly, that will fine for me, my family, my neighbors and rather all the country members of my country. I hope guys you will be responsible from your place. Thanks for watching my video. Have a good day. See you in the next video.